How to fill a shape with color in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application on your device over here and select a plain canvas over here. Here I've selected a plain canvas. Now in order to add this shape, what you need to do is just tap on the elements option over here at the bottom of the screen. So tap on elements and then look for shape. Now as you search for shape, you can see different options over here. So I'm going to select any of the shapes randomly. And then as you see the shape, you can just tap on the shape and here you can see the option of color at the bottom of the screen. So tap on color and then here you can select any of the colors according to your wish. You can just change it according to whichever color you would prefer for your shape. You can enlarge it as well if you want and let it place it over here, and then you can just see the shape has been colored. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.